Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Jonathan Win, and
This is Lena Vo. We both with Winvo Realty in Austin, Texas.
And today we're going to be standing in front of the Weston floor plan here with Highland Homes here on Parkside Peninsula located in Leander, Texas. But this house is located nearby plenty of recreational areas. I mean, first off, it's in between Cedar Park, Leander, and Round Rock. You have easy access to the highways like I-35 that runs up and down the entire state of Texas. It's also close to places like Costco, H-E-B. If you guys want greater access to places like Samsung and Apple on Palmer for work, this place is also easily accessible. So I'm going to turn it over to Lena now, and she's going to take you guys into the interior area.
Welcome to Highland Weston Home. This is the floor plan. It has 26 and 51 square feet, 4-bedroom. First, leading you to the nice double door office with a window. There is a half bath, and it's also half linen closet in here. It's for a guest bathroom. This is a mudroom and a bench and a door to the garage and the laundry room with beautiful tile and pretty roomy for washer and dryer. Okay, this guest bedroom has a full bath and a nice walk-in closet as well. Here is this beautiful kitchen, have quart countertop, and these are upgraded, very thick, and is waterfall all the way down. This is the wine area or some kind of like office space area right here. And then you can put your dry stuff here or whatever, but there is a walk-in pantry that's really, really big in here as well. Here is where you store your refrigerator. It looks like a built-in. If you put a sub-zero fridge, if you actually put it in here, gas stove and cabinets everywhere.
All right, and taking you guys to the second half of the home, because if that first half wasn't big enough, there's plenty more to see. We're standing right here in this giant open space living room. As you can see, an entire wall dedicated to double pane windows. We have our TV set up here, of course, with 6 shelves built in as an upgrade. And this is an inventory home, so you guys can move into this one as well. If you guys watched the movie Inception, that's exactly what this is. We have a double door here with the window facing the side of the home, regardless of what direction you're facing. We're leading into a single vanity here that this bedroom is going to share, as well as this jack and drill that shares the toiletry room and standing shower, as well as a built-in bath. On the other side of the living room, this is going to be the other wall that you guys are looking at just earlier, into the second bedroom that technically counts as a jack and drill, also with the window facing the side, and as well as a double door walk-in closet. And leading you guys into this gorgeous master bedroom. And this one has an actual bay window. So not only is there 2 double pane windows, there's also a little seat that you guys can add cushions on. If you guys have cats or dogs, maybe they could lounge on here with you. This one is going to have 2 double doors with a double vanity already here, a shared garden tub and standing shower, a separate toiletry room tucked here on the back wall, a 6-faced dimensional room compared to the last one, which had 8 faces in the walk-in closet to store all of your wardrobe.
And this is basically the double door, you guys. You can actually open the second door. There's a little tree that grows in here. It's a little bit different. There's no oak tree over here.
This is a 2,600 square feet. It's currently priced at $618,000, coming down from $711,000. That's almost a $100,000 discount. Not only is the tax rate fixed at around 2.66, but it also has a $280 HOA, and that is per year. And there's plenty of promotions and discounts running. So if you guys are interested in moving to Leander, do hit up me, Jonathan Win, and
Lena Vo.
both of us with Winvo Realty here in Austin, Texas. And this might be your next home.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.